Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we are making peanut butter filling, and this is so yummy. If you did not see my peanut butter buttercream tutorial, you can check that out because that is great on top. But this one calls for half a cup of butter, room temperature, unsalted, and then 1.5 cups of creamy peanut butter. And we're just gonna mix that on low until it's fully incorporated, and then we'll add the rest of our ingredients. Now, my inspiration for this peanut butter filling was Buckeye balls. I wanted this to taste like a yummy Buckeye ball, but super smooth and creamy and soft enough that it would be great filling inside of a cupcake. Once it's fully incorporated, we're going to want to make sure that we scrape down the sides and then mix it one more time to make sure that we have no butter or anything stuck to the sides. Now we're adding our 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then we're going to add 2 cups of confectioners sugar, and I like to use the pure cane powder sugar because it's smoother, and that's like a Domino's brand or any brand that says pure cane on it. We're going to mix it on low until it gets a little more incorporated, and after it's incorporated the confectioner sugar with our mixture, we're going to add half a cup of milk. And then we're going to continue mixing that on low until it's fully incorporated again, and we're going to scrape the sides once again so that everything gets mixed in there really good. And if you haven't seen how to put the filling inside the cupcake, if you're doing cupcakes, my sprinkle surprise tutorial, I show you kind of how to cut out the middle of the cupcakes with the apple core and put the sprinkles inside. Well, this way we'd be putting in the filling instead. And I like to use a baggie, or if you have a piping bag and you cut off the tip, then you can squeeze it in there. It makes it really easy to put the filling inside the cupcake. And then you can just top it with your favorite buttercream, which I am going to plan on topping these with my peanut butter buttercream, which is super yummy. And I love to do this on chocolate cupcakes because then it tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup, and it's really yummy. There's our yummy filling, and if you want to check out my peanut butter buttercream recipe that is also on my channel, please subscribe.